Hello everyone, my name is Nusayba Zaman Muntaha. I'm a student of Mohsin Smart English Learning and also reading in Radiant School in Khalij. I'm 12 years old, I'm in class 6. So today I'm going to talk about my school. The name of my school is Radiant School in Khalij. It is situated in Kulchi Chattogram on the Zakir Hossain Road of Kulchi area. It is really nearby of my house. It is one of the best and top schools of Chattogram. It was established in 2002. It is a very good school. It has a lot of rooms, a lot of good teachers, and we also have 2 playgrounds, and also we have science labs and commerce classes for our elder students. There is also a room separated for our honorable principal ma'am. She is also really honorable to us. We respect her very much. Our teachers are very friendly with us. They make our lessons very easy so that we can learn them properly. It's also one of the best schools of Chattogram. So that's all about my school. Thank you.